Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to know if someone is spying on your phone. Sometimes people may be spying on your phone without you knowing. People may have access to everything that you are doing on your phone. They will have access to all the activities that is going on your phone. When you get messages, they too will receive the message. When you are having a call, they too also will be able to listen to your conversations and everything. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can find out if someone is tapping your phone and how you can also disable it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open your phone, your keypad, then you type *#21# and then you dial and wait for some minutes. So you can see setting interrogation succeeded, voice call forwarding on all calls. You can see where it's written beneath disabled. Under setting interrogation, you can see disabled on all the way down. So with this, it shows that my calls or every activity that is going on my phone is not being tapped by anyone. So there's another code I'm going to show you. You can also use this code *#62# and you dial. So you can see it's the same thing. It's either you use the previous code or you use this code. So you can see disabled all the way down. So this means that my phone is not being tracked by anyone. My phone is not being bugged or tapped by anyone. So no one is listening to my conversations, no one is listening to my calls, no one is getting access to my messages. So you can see mine is disabled all through. Now if yours is being tapped, you are going to see enabled and you are going to see the number beneath that is tapping on your phone. You're going to see that number and you're going to see that it's enabled. But because mine is not enabled, it's showing disabled. So with that being said, if you find yourself in that situation whereby you discover that your phone is being tracked by someone and you want to disable it, so this is what you should do. You type ##002#. This is what you should type, and then you click on dial. So it's going to, with this code, every forwarded calls or messages will be erased. So you can see setting erasure succeeded. You can see on everything, on your voice call, on your data call, fax, SMS, everything. You see, setting erasure succeeded. That's the same thing that you are going to get if you discover that yours is enabled and you type this code to erase. It will erase any number or whatever it is that is being used to track your phone, that is being used to track you. Everything will be erased. Erasure succeeded. I hope this helps, and if it has helped in any way, please do well to like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever a new video comes up. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.